Today in this video, I will show you how to find your Instagram password if you forgotten. First of all, after you open up your phone like this, let's say you forgot your Instagram password and you don't know how to find it. In this video, I will show you how to find it. After you open your phone, now go and open your Gmail app. After you open your Gmail app, now tap on your profile at the top right side. After you open your profile, scroll all the way to down and tap on this where it says manage accounts on this device. After you tap on this section, allow it to finish loading. So as you can see now, in this section, it will take you to this option. As you can see here, it says Google and password. So as you can see now, you will see password under this Google. So tap on it. If you tap on this password, now it will take you to where your device used to store all your password. So all you have to do now, scroll to down. In this section, as you can see here, is all my password that I use on my phone. So scroll to down, you can find this section which says Instagram. As you can see here, this is instagram.com. so tap on it. So use your hand to verify it is you. So as you can see now, from this section, now you can be able to see your Instagram username and your password. Now here is my password on my Instagram. So if you want to just copy the password, just tap on this copy button to copy the password. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comments. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.